Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up on Wysa. So let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and open Wysa app on your phone. After you open it, you can see this type of interface. It'll asking you, hey, I'm Wysa, I'm here to help you distress and nurture yourself. Go ahead and click on this next button. So you can see that this is a quite relaxed and low-fee kind of vibe animation because this is an antidepressant and meditation app. Let's go ahead and choose a username for yourself. So you can see you can use some username. Go ahead and click next. After you click next, you can see that you can log in using your options. So you can see that you can go ahead and click on skip for this. So now you must set up how old are you. So you can see there is options of 18 years and older and 13 to 17 years. You can go ahead and select your year. Now you can see that you will have to add challenges that you would like to help with your space. So you can choose all of these because this might help you with all of your problems. So you can just go ahead and do this and click that's all for now. Now you need to choose which style works for you the best. The first option is self-care. So it tells you I prefer working on myself, and the other option is also there. You can go back anytime and you can reset it. So you can see the meditation option is being gone over here. So if you want to meditate, you can do that, or just go ahead and click on skip, and there you go. You have just created your account and sign up for the Wysa app. I hope this video about how you can sign up on Wysa was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.